Kahapon po kasi nagkaroon ng isang issue tungkol sa isang komedyante. So, bago niyo po ako tanungin, unahan ko na kayo. Kasi may kautusan po ang ating Chief of Staff, si General Anyo, matapos na kami po'y nag-anunsyo na maglalatag ng isang kaso. So, subalit kagabi, pinagutos po ni General Anyo na masusing pag-aralan itong issue na to. At if you will allow, I will read a statement from the Armed Forces regarding this. So ito po yung follow-on statement ng Armed Forces. And I would like to read it. Last night, the Chief of Staff, AFP, General Eduardo Anyo, ordered a thorough review of the case of Ms. Paner, following information that Ms. Paner did not actually ridicule soldiers, but even praised the sacrifices of our men in uniform. It was also reported that she did this in the interest of the arts, being a recognized comedian. Based on this information and other findings, the AFP will no longer pursue the case, but calls upon Ms. Paner and other unauthorized individuals to henceforth desist from the inappropriate use of our uniforms. She and the others must understand that the particular uniform she wore is the battle dress attire of our armed forces. It is the same uniform our soldiers wear whenever we go to battle, and the same uniform many of our heroes die wearing in the battlefield and in the defense of the motherland and our people. This is the very reason we hold this particular uniform very sacred. It is her desire, if it is her desire to extol the sacrifice, gallantry, and dedication to duty of all our soldiers and help recruit more patriotic Filipinos to the armed forces, your armed forces is open to have Ms. Paner among the ranks of our patriotic reservists, who without hesitation continue to be among our most ardent partners for change. End of statement. So ito po ang pinapaabot po ng ating buting Chief of Staff, si General Anyo, na posisyon po ng Armed Forces, matapos po na sinuri na mabuti yung mga nangyari pong kaganapan nitong mga nakaraang araw. At pinapaabot po namin, again, ang aming taos-pusong imbitasyon kay Ms. Paner na kung nais niyang magpatawa at pasayahin ang ating mga sundalo, pwede po siyang maging kabahagi ng ating mga nagbo-volunteer na mga artista upang ma-entertain ang ating mga kasundaluhan sa ospital, even sa battlefield, at maging miyembro ng reservice natin. Para nang sa ganon, authorized na po siya magsuot ng uniforme, anong klase man ito.